Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. So, for reading and writing, I am now your recorded video teacher. So, you'll still see your teachers live, but then if you ever need to go back and watch something, you will see me. So, I'm Miss Greathouse in case anyone forgot from last quarter. So, friends, this week for reading and writing, we are going to focus on our Wonders online platform. So we use Wonders for reading and writing. And what you guys can do is you can go in and log in as you, and you can do your assignments on there. You can play games. You can take your test on there. So you can do all sorts of things. So today and throughout this week, we're going to practice logging in, playing games, turning in assignments, and all sorts of things. So let's go ahead and get started. So friends, if you have a school iPad, this is what the app looks like that you'll click on to log in. Now friends, if you don't have a school iPad or you're on a desktop computer, your teacher will have emailed your parents the link for you to log in. So you will do that differently. But when you click on your app, it'll take you directly to this next page. So like I said, once you click on your app or you type in the link, this is the page it will take you to. So you can see that we have all of our teachers. And so if you're in Ms. Gilmore's class, you're going to look for a robot and a G in the name to find Ms. Gilmore's class. So a robot and a G in the name. If you're in Miss Tabby's class, you're going to look for a duck and an E at the end of their name. Okay? And if you're in my class, Miss Greathouse's class, you are just going to look for the bear. Okay? So then you would click on your class. Okay? And then you would find your name or your picture. So your login cards that your teachers have sent has this picture on them. So every student has a different animal that they are. So then what you do is once you find your name, you're going to go ahead and click on your name. Okay? So you find your teacher's name, and then you find your name, and then this comes up. So friends, you all have a picture password. So your picture password is a number, a fruit, and then a shape. And then you're going to click login down here. So I'm going to go ahead and log in as Marvin, and then we will go from there. Okay, friends, so you can see I've hit the login button after I typed in Marvin's password, and this is what comes up. So you're going to want to hit this dark blue button that has the word launch on it. Okay, so we're going to click that. Excuse me, friends. And this is what comes up. So we have all these different things. So this morning, we are going to go to this one, the one with the controller on it that says games. Okay, so it has all of these games on here for you that you can practice. So today, we are going to, excuse me, friends, do this Phonics Sort. Now you can choose any of the games, but this is the one that we're going to do. So friends, what you're always going to do is you're always going to click the audio button so that you can listen to the directions. Okay? So since I'm here, I'm just going to read these directions. These directions say, click on each item to hear its name. Drag to place items in the correct box. Okay, so then you have a box that says same beginning sound, so that's the blue one. And then you have a box that says different sound, which is the red one. So for example, this is a clam. So when you click on it, you'll hear the names of the picture. So that's a clam. This is grass. And this is a grill. So we have to listen and figure out which two pictures have the same beginning sound and which one has a different sound. So let's listen. Grill, grass, clam. So these have blends at the beginning. So we have coal, gur, gur. So grass and grill have the same beginning sound. So we would put grill and grass in the blue box, so the box with the blue at the top. And then we will put clam in the box over here, or the red box. So then what you do is you go down here and you hit check, and it'll tell you whether it is correct or not. And if you see all the boxes have check marks on them, so that means that you are correct. So once you have all of them correct, you will go down here and hit this next button. Okay, and so you have the same directions. This activity is focusing on the beginning sounds. So once again, your blue box says same beginning sound, and your red box says different sound. So we have a skunk, skip, and plus. Okay, so I'm going to get this one wrong just to show you guys what happens if you get it wrong. Okay. So I'm going to put plus and skip as the same beginning sound and skunk as the different sound. Okay, so when you get it wrong, it tells you that's not it, and the ones that are wrong come back down here to the picture box, so where you have all your pictures. So we know that skip is correct, okay? So we know that they're looking for sk, sk for the beginning sound. So let's see, skunk or plus. Skunk has the same beginning sound. So when you have to try again, friends, make sure that you go down here and hit the try again button. Okay, so now we can move our pictures again. So we said skunk and skip have the same beginning sound, and it plus has a different sound. So look, everything is correct, and we would hit next and do it all again. Okay, friends, so when you get to the last one and you hit that next button, it tells you how long it took you, how many you got correct, and how many you got incorrect. So what you can do is you can play again, or you can hit the X. So remember, you can hit this play again button, or you can hit the X in the top corner. And that'll take you back to the Wonders website. So all you're focusing on this morning for reading is the games button, so the button with the controller. So what you're going to do now is you're going to practice logging into Wonders, and you're going to play some of our phonics games. And then friends, when you're finished, you can either stay logged in, which is what I recommend, but if you have to log out, the log out button is right up here. So you will click that and log out. Okay, friends, it was great talking to you this morning, and I hope you all have fun on Wonders, and I will see all of you later on for writing.